Welcome to Top 4 Earn channel.
The first thing that you need to know is that if you pick the wrong niche, you literally set out to make the complete wrong business. And I'm going to show you the first YouTube channel that I made. It got 41 videos on it. It made over $7,000 and $191 per video, but that was only AdSense. And I remember that I've been watching other YouTube experts like Daryl Eves. What happened is that I actually abandoned that channel because the niche was so bad. So I started a second channel. It got 361 videos. It's made over $50,000 and $139 per video with only AdSense. Now, I'm just gonna say this to you: if you want to start a niche, AdSense is kind of shit. So it's kind of the skippable ads and also the sponsor card on the top right. And you can see on this channel that you're watching right now, I only made $1,370 from just AdSense. So my highest day was literally $65, and that's a CPM of $16. That's really high on YouTube. Now, what about my affiliate income? Well, in May, the entirety of May, I made $32,000, which is 23 times as much money than with just AdSense ad revenue. So just keep that in mind, that my highest day in May 30th, you can see, was $3,273. While on AdSense, it was just $65. And I'm gonna explain to you how I wasted so much time, and I don't want you guys to do the same. Now, my challenge is that I've spent thousands of hours making YouTube videos. I've spent tens of thousands of hours creating those YouTube videos, and I've even spent countless hours more thinking about YouTube videos. Sometimes I even dream about YouTube videos. And how do I distill over 20,000 hours and the total sum of my knowledge into something you can immediately put into action and have a bottom line impact the first time you use it? Here is how. So I have a niche YouTube channel framework, and that's step number one. You select a niche, you make a no-face content, you promote that channel, and then you automate that channel. And I don't care what your channel is. These are the only 4 elements you have to consider. And there obviously are certain things you can do within each of these 4 areas that can dramatically determine your success or the failure you have in terms of value and in terms of profit. So are you ready to dive in? This first video that I'm going to show you right now is just about niche selection. All right. So the niche selection, why is that important? Well, the more demand, the easier it is to get views despite of yourself. The less competition, the faster you'll make money. And the difference between making 1x or 23x is all in the niche. And it's kind of like the seed you put in the ground that grows into, if you put, for example, a chili pepper seed, that will grow into chili peppers. But if you place an apple tree seed, that will grow into an apple tree. And I don't know about you, do you want chilies or do you want apples? Well, let me explain kind of the context of how I got into this really bad niche and wasted literally years of my life. And I don't want this to happen to you as well. So my first channel, 41 videos, $191 per video. And you might be wondering, why didn't I continue with this, even though it's when making money, you know? When I made this channel, I was a complete rookie, all right? I had worked a lot of dead-end jobs, like in the harbor. I worked at a slaughterhouse. This is actually one of my co-workers that worked there. I worked as a door-to-door salesman, which was really shit. And my last job was actually a pizza delivery job. And when I was working daily on this pizza job, I was so depressed and kind of given up. I remember being in my room at my mom and dad's place with underwear over the floor, energy drinks all around me, playing video games all the time, and just thinking, is this it? And that's when I started to, I need to change the path in my life. So I Googled how to make money online, and I found this guy called Pat Flynn. And he's a really cool guy if you don't know him. And he showed that he was making $321,000 online. And the way he would do this was to make a niche website with affiliate links, and then he would try to rank that on the top of Google and then make passive income, you know? And I thought, this is how I'm gonna quit my job. So I started this, and I made a Facebook account, Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube, as well as this blog. And I started posting every single day on this blog, relentlessly to try and make it, you know. And I got obsessed with passive income. I just wanted to make money while I was sleeping, you know. Now the problem is I really suck at writing. The research takes so much time, and also I never got good grades when it came to writing, so I didn't really like that. And I was working on this every day for a year, and the worst part was that I saw all these other people that started at the same time as me get success, and I didn't get success. And that was so hard, and I was thinking like, maybe I picked the wrong niche. What am I doing wrong? And I even got a ton of numbers, like 200,000 page views, 90k followers on Twitter, 4.6k subscribers on YouTube, 9k followers on Instagram, 6,000 followers on Pinterest. And all these numbers, even though I was getting so many numbers, I still did not make any money. And after working on it for a year, or I think maybe even a year and a half, I just said one day, I quit. I didn't want to look at my website. I didn't want to work at my website. I didn't want to touch my website. It's kind of like the exact point where you stop loving your girlfriend and you're like, or maybe even your girlfriend cheats on you and you're like, fuck this. This really sucks. So it was really humiliating too, because I told my mom, my friends, my family, all of them that I would be rich. I'm not going to do this 9-to-5 job. I'm going to do this website thing. But it didn't really work out. So my mom always wanted me to go to college. So my mom said, okay, well, you know what? You're going to go to college and get a real job, you little entrepreneur. That hurt so bad. And I was like, get out of my room, mom. So I actually went to college. I got a girlfriend and I started partying. And then one day I was like, I wonder how the travel and pleasure website is doing. And I can see the website traffic gone down, Facebook gone down, Tumblr, all of it gone down. But then I looked at YouTube and what I found was so cool. The channel had just been keep growing. It just kept growing. And that's when I get the first taste of passive income. I was like, I made passive income. And then I checked my most popular YouTube video and it got 287,000 views. And do you know how much I made from that? $67. Yeah, that's 3 stadiums of people and I make $67. That's less than a day working as a pizza delivery boy. So that's when I learned that you never just rely on entertainment and ad revenue. You always have to entertain, educate, and sell affiliate products. So I picked the wrong niche. There wasn't really that much to sell and it wasn't that much demand. There wasn't really a pain problem. And I had to start all over again. And I actually watched these mentors I had on YouTube, and they had these criterias of a hot niche. Gets a lot of views, it's easy to create videos without showing your face, and you can monetize with something other than AdSense. So here are some of the example niches that I'm going to show you: the tech product reviews, self-improvement, and the meditation niche. So the key here is to reverse engineer the process. You start with the affiliate product and then you use YouTube as a traffic source, because it doesn't really matter how much value you give to the world if you don't have a business model, right? So how you actually find these affiliate products is Shareasell, ClickBank, Digistore24. Amazon has one of the biggest affiliate networks. And if you go on ClickBank, you can just search on Gravity. You can see this right here, the Secret Obsession. You can make $47 just from promoting that, and you will get a sale. So just click on promote and then account nickname and the MSO, and then generate hop links. And you can see this ugly link, you know. Now, what I do is go to bit.ly.com, and if you make an account, you can actually customize the back half and call it like Bitly Secret Obsession. Now, this product is obviously for women that want to find a dream man, and you can just come to me. I'm single. So now the question really becomes, how do you get traffic to your affiliate link? And that's where we find the right person and we funnel them through to the right product that is going to give them the most value, you know? So then I started making this new YouTube channel with the entertain, educate, and sell affiliate products, and I was hustling hard. 3 videos every single week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Obviously in the beginning I got like 21 views per day, but I kept hustling, and even 4 months in I didn't see any results, but I'm just like, I'm gonna follow this strategy and I'm gonna do it until I'm successful. And then one day my channel completely took off. It went from getting like 500 views per day to 10,000 views per day. So I was so happy, but I didn't even just get the views, I got the money as well. You can see anywhere from $100 to $300 per day, and this happened week after week, month after month. And I remember waking up one day and I got like $100 to $300 every single day for a week. And I remember waking up and I said to myself, I had made it. This is how I'm never gonna have a job again. I'm not gonna go to college. I actually ended up dropping out of college, and this was how I figure out that I'm never going to become a pizza delivery boy again. Now, this can happen to you too, and I don't want you to look at me like a hero in this story. I want you to become the hero so you can do the exact same that I did. And I want to show you these 3 easy niches right here that you can start. And the first one is the tech product reviews. So this channel is called the 10 best ones, and you can see in the middle right here, it has $3.2 thousand to $27,000 in monthly earnings just from AdSense. But as you remember, we don't care about the AdSense. And it's getting 2.3 million views in the last 3 days. And you can see the type of content they produce is like best air fryer 2017, best budget smartphones, best gaming desks, laptops for student, air conditioners, and so forth. Really simple to do. And in every single description, they just have a ton of links to Amazon affiliate. And when somebody buys through their link in the description, they actually make a lot of money. And the next niche is the meditation niche. So you can see this channel, Yellow Brick Cinema. You can see that they're making $8,000 all the way up to $136,000 just from AdSense. And they're getting 34 million views in the last 30 days. And all they're doing is like study music alpha waves, 3-hour relaxing guitar music, and they have meditation music, and they're helping people focus and relax in this stressing world, you know. And what they could promote is like a 7 weeks to better you vibrational meditation course. You can see all the way on the right, they can earn $57 from each sale that they do. And this is on Digistore 24 that anyone can join. Isn't that really cool? And the other thing that they could sell is like this app that's called Calm. So every time somebody downloads this app, they would make money. You can actually just do this. And I love meditation, so I use Calm, and I also use Headspace to have this guided meditation. I try doing it 10 minutes every day to just relax my body, and meditation has helped me so much. Now, what about the last niche? This is a self-help niche, and you can see that they're getting $8,000 all the way up to $70,000 in monthly earnings, and getting 6 million views the last 30 days. And all they're doing is literally 15 signs you're emotionally mature, 16 lies you need to stop telling yourself. And I want you to hone in on this: 13 things women do that push men away. Who is the perfect customer for this? Well, it's the girl that wants to find the dream guy, or wants to increase their relationships. And I don't know why this guy hasn't put an affiliate link in the description. It could be literally any product. And I actually have a YouTube channel that's very similar to this, and I have the link in the description, and I'm making so much money from it. So he's just missing out on a lot of money. And I can show you some of the numbers right here. So he's got 140,000 views. And if just 1% of the views clicks the link, he will get 140,000 clicks to your affiliate link. Now, just imagine that this is your YouTube channel, right? That's 1,400. You can see that the EPCs, that's earnings per click, is $2.56 up to $5.45 earnings per click. So that means that they're making anywhere from $3,584 all the way up to $7,600. That's crazy for just one video. Now, what if just 1% is a little bit high? So let's say that you just get 0.5%, which is a little bit more realistic. Well, that means that you get 700 clicks to your affiliate link, and that turns into $1,792 on the low end. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds good, but I can't get 140,000 views on my YouTube video. Well, what if you just got 14,000 views and 0.5% of the views clicks the link? That means that you get 70 clicks to your affiliate link and you make $179 all the way up to $381 just from that one single video. And that's really how it is. That's more than you would make as a piece of delivery job. And the crazy part is that in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this video. And it takes literally max 4 hours to make. If you do it in more than 4 hours, you're doing a really bad job. So would it be worth it to you if you only got 14,000 views and made $179 for just 4 hours of work? I think so. So here you can see that if 14,000 views a day, and just let's take the lower end, $179 a day, that's $5,370 a month, which is $64,400 each and every year.